Bahia Honda State Park, and we're in a nice little shaded resting zone at the end of the beach, right next to the railroad bridge. So next stop is the top of the railroad bridge. We had our groceries, we could grill. There's 3 spots. There's the bridge. We gotta go this way to get to the bridge. We got a surfboarder, kiteboarder rather. Hey, there's a bay bean. That's a different kind of bean. We've seen a couple of the purple butterflies, or blue, Miami blue butterflies. There's one right there, matter of fact. He flew off, I must have scared him. They're an endangered species. There's one right there. They're hard to film because they're little. There's a Miami blue. None of them will get close enough to me to film. See him flying out there? Right there. I'm aiming at him. I don't think he's showing up though. I needed my selfie stick.
Oh, here's one of them spiders.
This one's coming closer. Oh, here he comes. There he is. See, they're little. Now you can tell everybody you've seen the endangered Miami butterfly.
Quarter of an inch.
Finally,
Get this spider.
A spider. Oh yeah, there's a cool one.
One of them zigzag ones. He makes. It looks like he made a sewing machine. Used a sewing machine to make his web.
Look at that close up. He don't even care.
Oh, there's your little butterfly.
I know, I got a film. I'm pretty sure I got a pretty good film of one. That spider's gonna be a cool thing. I should take a picture of him. But we're climbing we're going up in the world.
Anyway, this read about your bean pods.
Yeah.
And you wouldn't want to eat it.
Why, they're poisonous?
They're highly poisonous.
Okay, don't eat the beans.
It said, don't be fooled. Look at the pods on that up there. That's where the butterflies live.
Yeah. Wow, look at the view here. There's a pontoon boat way out there. There's that little island.
Does this go to the underneath the bridge?
Yes, it does.
The road part, the metal
Yeah, and then you go up and over and takes.
worth it?
Yeah,
Okay.
I think so.
Yeah.
I know.
Them are knicker beans. Knicker beans. See? There's a sign over here that says, do not trim these knicker bean plants. That's right.
See, here they are. Look at them.
Yep, all the beans. Don't eat them. Don't eat the beans. It's amazing this beach goes for miles, because we were up at the other end of it on our bicycle not that long ago.
You can smell that nasty
Yep.
stuff.
You can smell that sarcasm. Smell that fresh air.
There's a little lizard just crawled off the tree.
Yeah. Rip current.
Rip current. Very rippy.
Yeah.
Oh, somebody left their shoes.
Yeah. Got their sandals over there. Oh, we can finally hang a left. Climb the big hill. Yep. I wonder if they got water. Probably not, huh? That'll be my next stop. Water. Okay. The Bahia Honda Beach. That's to the railroad bridge. And that's to the restroom.